Hey guys, a few days ago we have introduced this feature AI assembly on MindPal, which essentially gives you the ability to chain different AI agents into a complete AI automation workflow to solve a big task. And I would like to introduce you another exciting use case with this feature, content repurposing. So when you write content to post on your social media or for marketing purposes, sometimes you have a piece of information that can be repurposed for different platforms. And in this case, you can do that pretty handily with MindPal AI assembly. So this is a template that you can easily duplicate for your personal use. And in this template, we have already prepared with trigger input, in this case, raw content. And then for each step, it will create a post that is optimized for each of the following platforms, ranging from Facebook, LinkedIn, to Twitter and email. So this is a very raw version that can help you get started with this kind of AI automation process. But I think you get the idea. Once you duplicate this AI assembly for your personal account, you can further customize it to suit your personal writing style or your branding, etc. And you can even further edit it. For example, this trigger input instead of a long text, you may prefer it to be a file or a URL of the original content that you want to repurpose. So it's up to you of how much you want to customize this AI assembly to best fit your case. For now, let's try this um, run this content repurposing AI assembly to see whether it works. For example, I can ask it to write a post introducing my path based on this link. Let's create. And once it's done, this AI assembly will help you to write each post sequentially based on the raw content that you input. So this is the first step is starting with a Facebook post, then it will continue with other posts in the pipeline. So this is, as you can see, this is just a very raw example of how an content repurposing AI assembly works on MindPal, but you can totally customize it further if you would like to, so that it can produce the best possible response that you can actually use. So I encourage you all to go to Bring Up My Papa Space, try duplicating this AI assembly to use, or try creating your own AI assembly.